get all that.
Oh, so carry over.
Carry great.
Okay, today we're going to learn about division, and we're going to learn one of the many strategies that there are for division. But before we do that, I want you to listen to this song. Maybe.
Did you forget your password?
Maybe. There we go.
You thought multiplication was fun. Let's break down the division, y'all. Here we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's finally time to learn about division. It'll be a breeze if you know multiplication. I bet you got for sure. 4 divided by 4. Close the total and 4 can be the crucial time. This savvy, the sense of things in each. The choice is yours to make sure you can model both ways. Everybody jump on in, yeah. We're on a mission. Mastering that division. We'll maybe say it's multiplication. Just in reverse, that's 'cause they're inverse operations, but in division. We know that the total's given, equally splitting, or separating, to determine the unknown. Here's a word problem for you, pause it if you need to. We know the total, and the number of groups. We must start with things in each, in this case how many bees? 16 divided by 2, let's draw it out. Equally, how many bees you see? In each other, all they that proportion. Everybody jump on in, yeah, we're on a mission. Mastering that division. You maybe say it's multiplication. Just in reverse, that's 'cause they're inverse operations, but in division. We know that the total's given, equally splitting, or separating, to determine the unknown. Here's another one for you, pause it if you need to. We know the total, and the things in each group. So now how many groups? Let's model this one too. 6 in each, 6 one group, but the total's 18. And the group is 6, let's drop it, yeah, that's it. Then another makes 18, the portion is 3. What's the total called, y'all? Dividend. It's our brother no call. Divisor. What's the answer called, y'all? You know we're rocking that division vocab. What's the total called, y'all? Dividend. It's our brother no call. Divisor. What's the answer called, y'all? You know we're rocking that division vocab. Everybody jump on in, yeah. We're on a mission. Mastering that division. We maybe say it's multiplication. Just in reverse, that's 'cause they're inverse operations, but in division. We know that the total's given, equally splitting, or separating, to determine the unknown.
Okay, there are things in there that we're not going to deal with today, but I wanted you to just get comfortable with some of the terms that we're going to see today and just about division in general. Okay, 2 objectives for today. I can divide a number using equal group strategy.
We learned this last year.
And this will be your review. Okay? And then I can write a division sentence. That'll be the second objective. Let me introduce you to some vocabulary. All right, there's about 4 terms to be familiar with. The first one obviously being what is division. And division is sharing or grouping into equal groups. Then we get to some fancy words like dividend. And that represents what you have to divide. So if I had 12 M&Ms, that's going to be my dividend, the 12 M&Ms. The divisor represents what you're dividing by. So that's the number of friends, for example, that you're going to give 12 M&Ms to. Then the quotient, that's just your answer, and that represents the division problem. So if you have here this division sentence, you have your dividend, that's the total pieces of candy, divisor, that's the number of groups, and the quotient is your answer.
I have 12 M&Ms. I split them into groups. I have 3 friends. And count how many friends. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12.
You're going to do well when we get to the strategy. All right, I want you just to watch this short video clip. I think you're going to like it.
All right, you goons, we did it. We got away with 3 of the biggest capers in history. When we get back to the hideout, we'll divvy up the loot. We'll all be rich. Rich, I tell you. When we're through, boys, we'll all be driving new Packards and listen to the biggest radios they make. Okay, first order of business. Let's divide the loot for the first job. Hot diggity, just look at all that ice. We got diamonds, 20 of them. Now let's see, there was 4 of us participated in the heist. Crusher, Bruiser, Moby, and me. If we divide things up equally, we each get... Wait a second, how do we divide 20 diamonds evenly among 4 people?
I got
Well,
it.
yeah, we need to use division to figure it out. Division is basically the splitting of large numbers into equal groups of smaller numbers. In our case, we're trying to divide our loot in between the 4 of us so that we have an equal share. Well, in division, all these numbers have special terms. The number being divided is called the dividend. Here, the dividend is 20 for our 20 diamonds. The number you're dividing by is called the divisor. Here, the divisor is 4, since we have 4 people. And the answer you get is called the quotient. Our quotient is 5. So each of us gets 5 diamonds. Holy mackerel, 15 gold coins. Pretty soon we're all going to be dancing the Lindy Hop on the Queen Mary. Now let's divide them up. What's up, little Jimmy? Okay, fair is fair. You tipped us off this big score, so we'll divide these coins up 5 ways. Now let's see. How many times can we divide 15 by 5? Yep, you got it. We can divide 15 coins into 5 groups of 3 coins apiece. And you can check your answer by multiplying the quotient by the divisor. If your answer is the dividend, you've done it right. Let's see, 3 times 5 equals 15. Yep, we got it. That's because division is sort of like the opposite of multiplication, in the same way that subtraction is the opposite of addition. And now for the last part of the haul. 21 pocket watches. Why, we'll be taking flappers to the opera. It's open. Oh, geez it, guys, it's Lieutenant Rita. I mean, we just acquired these 21 lovely watches. And since there's 7 of us, including you and Sergeant Cassie, we could, divide the loot 7 ways. Let's see, 21 watches for 7 people. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So that's 3 watches apiece for each of us, including you 2. Oh, why did I think I could get away with this? Becoming a 1930s gangster was a really bad career choice. Of course, it could work for Halloween.
All right. Give me thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle about how you feel about division before we get started. Okay, I see some thumbs up, I see some thumbs down. Let's see if I can get all the thumbs up by the end of the lesson here. All right, so again, we're going to divide a number using the equal group strategy, and then we're going to write a division sentence from the problem. I need teacher assistant, and that will be Junior. Everybody needs one of these. And then, oops. Make sure everybody
Can I pass up the pencils?
He's got one.
This is good.
Actually, I already have.
All right, so everybody's got their pencil, everybody's got a packet.
I have some for everything.
We're going to do these problems together, and rather than use diamonds and watches or circles, squares, we're going to use M&Ms and licorice. So, this is the equal group strategy. All it says, we have 12 pieces of candy. So I'm going to have 12 M&Ms. This is 10. 3, 6. I'm sure you can see that. Now I'm sharing it with 3 friends. So I have 3 groups. But I have to share this among. So I'm going to take 3 licorice ropes. I'm going to make 3 circles. That's going to be my group. There's 1. There's 2.
That looks like an eye.
It does, doesn't it? And there's the nose. There's 3. All right, so all the equal group strategy is I'm taking the total number, the total pieces of candy that Jaren has. I'm giving somebody 1. This is kind of like dealing a deck of cards. There's 2.
Like in Uno.
Exactly. 3. 4. And I'm out of M&Ms. So how many M&Ms do I have in each one of my groups? 1,
4.
2, 3. I have 4. So I write this as a division sentence. I have 12 pieces of candy. My dividend divided by how many groups I have. I have 3 groups. And how many pieces of candy are in each group? 4. So that's your division sentence. 12 divided by 3
turn
is
that
4.
around, the time is going to be 12.
Right, because you want to take 4 times 3 is 12. That's one way of checking your answer. Nice job, Jerry. Okay. Let's set this to the side. Let's try another one. I actually want you guys to do this one with me. So, I need Jaren and Carter. When you get your licorice and you get your M&Ms, please keep them in the bag until it's time to use it. Pass me this, everybody. Pass one of those to everybody. Can everybody read that, or do I need to make it bigger? Can you read it, Junior? Do I need to make it bigger? Make it bigger? Okay. So our next problem. Junior has 15 M&Ms. The decides to give them to each of his 5 friends. So Junior's got 5 friends that he has to split 15 M&Ms for. So I need to have, how many pieces of licorice, guys?
3 pieces each.
3,
How many groups do I need?
5,
5.
15.
I need
No.
5.
Yeah, 5.
So 5 pieces of licorice. And so go ahead and take out 5 pieces of licorice and make your groups.
And then get 5. It's 5.
So
Hey,
there are my 5 groups. Don't shout out the answer. Don't shout out what you think is the answer.
Miss, can I tell everyone what to do by 5s?
Why don't we do that for the next one, the next lesson? Okay, does everybody have 5 groups to record?
Yeah. I'm eating these, so. I think
Don't eat it yet. You can eat it when we're all done.
I want some more.
All right. So I got 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. So I have 15 M&Ms sitting out, and I'll have more Junior.
Can I say the answer once we're done?
Nope. You guys will have plenty of time to share your answer. Once you have your 15 M&Ms, go ahead and start divvying them out like you would a deck of cards when you're playing Uno.
Mr. J.
So I still have more to give.
These are equal.
See, I messed up. Okay. So when everything is all done, my 15 M&Ms got split into 5 different groups, or 5 different friends, and I had everybody show me with your fingers how many M&Ms are going to be in each group. Exactly right. What do you think, Carson? How many do you have in each of your groups?
Oh.
3, exactly. So now I have to write a division sentence. So I'm going to clear my area. And how many M&Ms did I have, Jaron?
3.
How many M&Ms do I have total? I'm sorry.
3. No,
15.
15.
Thank you. 15. How many friends does Junior have?
5.
5. So how many pieces does everyone get?
3.
3. So this is your division sentence. 15 M&Ms he's going to give to his 5 friends, so they each get 3. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And that's your division sentence.
So can I tell everyone the thing now?
Can I eat one of my
So
licorice?
you can eat at the very end. I know it's tempting, but hang on, we're almost there. Can we wait till the end, Jaron? All right. Let's do this last one, and then I'm going to let you guys do it together in groups. Or do you think that you're doing okay and you're ready to try it on your own?
I'm okay. I'm doing it by my
Who would rather try it on their own now?
Ready?
We're going to do it like with the group. Who'd
I
rather?
want to eat my licorice.
You're not eating that, are you?
No, I broke off a piece of it.
Why don't we have, we won't do this third problem. I want you to turn your page.
I want to do it. I know how. Alright, I'm going to do it real quick.
And I have 2 problems that you're going to get to do with the partner.
I feel real big.
Okay, so Junior and Jaron, will you 2 work together?
Sure.
Okay. Mr. Robert, will you work with Corey? Miss Bonnie, can you work with Carson?
Carson, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You wanted the last page?
Yeah, we're gonna do the
Yes,
last page.
one.
Thomas has,
Do we have to do the other page?
what page?
You already did.
I already did it. So 2 problems we're gonna do together. You're gonna do it with your partner, and then we'll do it all together when we're done.
Yeah, 18, but we need,
It's 3 of these.
yeah, 3, so we have 3.
So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 3. And how many?
Oh, so we're gonna do this? We're doing the 14 one?
Yeah, I'm over here. There's one at 8, 12. Come on, I like coursework.
All right.
2,
You ready?
And then we decided to share 10.
You're gonna work with Junior.
I like it doing it by myself.
You wanna work on your own?
Yeah, it's about 18.
Okay, are you all right with that, Junior? You wanna work on your own? All right,
I need
work.
more. Mom, we're doing good.
I'll have them later.
So here's what you're fixing. So you're gonna take 18 and you're gonna
Thomas has 18 and a half.
So what you do is you get 1 and then close.
Oh, you're doing that one
18 and a
too?
half.
So you go 1.
It'll be 14, sweetie. It needs to be
Yeah, you go. Now, I give you what they
14 divided.
You supposed to got.
You can just rewrite it right here.
I give what you were thinking.
17.
Just count as you do it.
3 circles with the licorice.
I thought you was just doing that one this week.
Yeah. on
Okay.
Sunday.
So we got 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I
9,
think it's one of
10,
the best
11,
days.
12.
Reminds me of the very beginning of school year.
So how many in each one?
How you doing that, Carson?
All right, there's your answer.
8, 9, 10,
The rule's not to eat until you're
no,
done.
7,
Some people didn't, no, not people were done now. Now we have to do something on our own.
Oh.
All right, now start dividing these out.
All right.
Mr. K,
Are you good?
Mr. K, I need more M&Ms because they keep on.
All right, we got, Thomas had 18 M&Ms in
So
here.
divide those out.
Okay, so you know you got 14 here, right?
Figure it out.
So that's at 4
1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2.
Okay, so there's 18 M&Ms. And he decided to give
No.
them to 3, so we're gonna divide it by,
6 will go to 18.
right, that's your divider of his friends. So let's do this, let's get our little brains.
I'll be over in a minute.
12.
All right, start dividing.
6,
8,
18. How many groups you got? 18, but how many groups? 1, 6,
Got them all done, Carson?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
3 groups.
That's
Off
8.
a part of my
Get it?
licorice.
All right, so
9,
it's 18.
11,
You got 3. 'Cause you got
How many you have
3
each?
groups. You got 3 groups.
16,
Get it?
So how many do you have in total?
You ready for the next one?
Got 18.
See you next one.
No, it should be 18.
How many?
I'm sorry.
I counted
Don't
it.
touch.
5, 6, you said
No
20.
touch.
No, I said 18.
And this one, Curry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There you
You
go.
guys see my name?
He's
Who put
done.
my name in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You put all of our names in here. You put Junior, Carson,
Absolutely.
Thomas.
Amazing.
What the heck? Thomas
Okay.
is not here.
Next
Well, his
one.
name's at the
Ja'Cory
end of
has
the page on
20.
the second
So you
page.
So now
had
we need
20
to add 2
M&Ms.
more.
Whoever put my name in there, I'm gonna go after you.
And so to give more of them to your
All right,
friends.
there's 20.
So you gotta have 4 friends,
What
so.
are we doing?
You didn't even
One
use
20
that.
there.
No,
And
4
he
friends.
decided to
They're
give
not
to
leveraged,
4
4
of
friends.
this.
Okay,
What did he
let's go through this real quick.
4 of them.
There.
I was noticing,
I only have one more.
oh, you have one more? Okay.
Yeah, we
still
just need a
okay.
minute.
I like
Okay, I'll help you.
dividing.
There's four.
Are we done yet?
Almost.
I want to do one of these, but not today.
Okay.
Now,
4, 5, 6.
So we got
No,
row
18,
20, so
and
make
20.
sure you put
How
one
many
each
is
one,
it?
and you make sure you count.
1, 2,
1.
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Junior.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mr. K, can you just give me a new?
all right.
Mr. K, my kids are drunk.
So look at this, 4 times 5, we got that, 5, 10,
Junior.
20.
5.
So see how easy that is to think? You should start thinking like that.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started while you finish up, Jen.
He's done.
I'm not.
Good job, man, good job.
So Thomas had how many friends?
4.
4.
Are you
20.
sure?
Wait, no, 20.
Now, how many friends does he have?
Oh, 4.
3.
3. Corey, you have 4 friends.
There you go. 5.
Go put it in the basket. You're 12. Here.
Nope,
How
I
many
don't want them in the
groups you got?
basket. Just keep it in your desk.
20.
Am I done? What are you eating?
So I have 18 M&Ms.
I'm watching you all.
Who's looking up here? I should see faces up here. Where are the eyes?
Right top.
All right. So now just like deck of Uno cards, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6.
Oh,
How many do I have in each group?
that's what I have. I have 6.
And he's hidden it now.
You can't be eating.
6.
Yes. Junior, you're correct. So we had 18 M&Ms.
Yeah, I better have 11.
I'm dividing them up between 3 friends. Each friend gets 6.
Each friend gets 0.
Now we come to Ja'Cory. Ja'Cory has 20 M&Ms, but he's got 4 friends.
Can I say, that's one more day, can I say it? How many we have?
We have 5. M&M's each. And it's 11.
I like what I'm hearing.
4.
So I got 20 to give to 4 people.
1, 2, 3,
And
4, 5,
everybody
6.
is gets like 8.
It looks like 2 eyeballs.
It looks like the infinity
So the infinity stone.
Fine.
But you are a stone.
Okay,
And then we're
all right.
and we all smash on you.
Ja'Cory, how many do I have in each group?
Huh?
How many do I have in each group?
5. And 4.
So how do I write that as a division sentence?
So
20 divided by
Whoa.
4.
Hold on.
So 20 divided by 4.
20 divided by 4 equals
4. I'm sure 5. I'm doing it on purpose.
Okay, we're close to the end now. What I need you to do is show me
Show my new hairline.
that you can answer 3 questions on the front, and there's 4 small questions on the back. The ones on the front are exactly like what we just did.
Oh no.
If you need to use your licorice and your M&Ms to do it, do it.
Why? Do I have to do it again?
And then on the back, you already have the number sentence written for you. So all you have to do is figure out what the number is, or what the answer is.
Really?
On the front, what I
It
need
says
to
on
see
the
here.
back.
On the front, I need to see a division sentence. This is a division sentence. I need to see that after each of these
What kind
problems.
of 4? Because you get around and
I'm giving you the paper.
Right, like, and then write it down.
You got this.
What?
Don't forget your names and dates, guys.
Yeah, that would be important, name and date.
No.
You can give a little bit of guidance.
I already figured out the bottom. I already figured out the bottom one right here.
Okay.
Four. Correct, four.
How'd you get that?
I did this. Four.
So your division sentence is right. But I need a division sentence. Remember? This is a division sentence.
Skip all of them. I'm not doing the first one.
So
It makes no
we
sense.
have the right answer. Right, so
It's not like these where it says, Jerry,
divided by
right.
4 wheels.
This was easy.
There are 6 students.
That's what you need to write.
When this one's easy. This is the range here. Four comes, four comes. Like you did four, four comes, and then three.
Not doing that.
Exactly right. Nice job.
That's what, that was
He said I copied it. But give me.
Good job.
One, two,
No.
Try on basketball. You're almost done. Yeah, I've told you.
what?
You might have miscounted.
This four comes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8.
So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight.
So now write that as a division sentence. Yes.
I want to do it again.
Okay, this one.
This is first year.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, there you go. Yep. Now just do it for this next two.
Here was the cake.
Okay, what if I had to do just one on the front and one on the back? I think that's a good compromise. I know you're capable of doing that. So we'll try one on the front, one on the back, and Mr. Watson, and then we'll do it, okay? Do that for me.
And I promise you, after we get done this, I'll go back to it. If you want, I'll take it from you if you can do that.
One on the front, one on the back. I bet you watch it.
You don't have to get this.
No, I got more on the back. More on the back. You already want some? You're doing it. You're dividing up your accounts.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, that's all you have to do on this. Take care of the first. Divide it up by the time. I'll give you some time.
Wait.
That was a smart way. You took that and you started 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Very good.
Job done.
You put your name on the head. Jared, you need me to help you out?
He's got an interesting way of doing it.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. This is, I think you can.
Think I could do it?
Yeah, it's okay. Oh, yeah.
I want more liquid.
Can you reach into that bag and give him some?
Ta-da.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
How many bags do I get?
different artwork.
Oh, I
So
see.
it doesn't get boring.
If it's not on there.
All right.
Person. All right, ready, Mark?
30 divided
Now
by
before you get out of
Look,
there.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
There's 16 Lego.
What's that going to do?
Okay.
8 divided by 4.
You
4
don't have to.
and 4. How many 4s do I have? Okay, 12 divided by 3.
No.
3 times what equals 12? 3 times 3
Some of
would be
these
9.
things, they were
No, 3 times 6.
That's 18. So if you take 3
each card has 4
times
deals.
3, and you know it's 9, and you add another 3, that's going to be 10, 11, 12,
You only have
right?
2.
So how many would that be then?
All right.
4.
So you were close. 16 divided by 2. Okay, I
So
got 1,
each card
2,
is 4
3,
deals.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Sure, stop it in my mouth. Like,
No.
or you want M&M?
And that
You
means
want
14,
M&M?
16. Okay, so now I need to divide it in.
You know how spaghetti
How
that
that's going to
like
be.
stuff it in here
Let me show
now,
you the
like
easier
this?
way.
Which one will work now? 16 is
Okay, so it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many would that be?
How are you?
So what times 2? Did you write the answer?
Here we go.
Got your name and date on
Why
it?
don't you deal these out with the card?
What's the thing?
Deal these out right now.
All right, so
Yes.